How to create Apple ID. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your settings app. Here we go. At the very top, you'll find this option of sign in to your iPhone. Now tap on that option. Now tap on this option of forget password or don't have an Apple ID. Select the option of create Apple ID. Now you have to fill these. Type in your first name, last name and birthday. After you fill these, click on this option of continue. Now you have to type in email address over here. Make sure you enter the email address that hasn't been used before for any Apple ID. This will be your new Apple ID. After you type in that, tap on the option of continue. Now over here you will need to generate password for your Apple ID. Type in that. After you fill these, you can click on this option of continue. Now you will need to enter phone number. First is select your country. Now type in your phone number over here. After you type in the phone number, now you have to select any of the method through which you want to verify your phone number. You can choose the text message or the phone call. After you select that, tap on the option of continue. Go through all the terms and conditions of the Apple and then tap on the option of agree. Your Apple ID is in the process to be created. Wait for a few seconds. Now you will need to type in your phone's passcode. It's in the process to be verified. You can see that. And you can see that I have just created Apple ID. Applying the same process, you can easily create your Apple ID. If you want to verify your email address, you can do that as well. Just click on this option of verify email address. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily create Apple ID. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.